Hey guys, what's up? Today, taking a look at this grill caddy from HULISEN. Super excited to open this up and get this going because this is going to be super useful for around grilling, entertaining, things like that. You can see that it holds a bunch of different stuff, paper towels, which is super important because I'm always making a mess. So allows me to, be a little cleaner, as well as tongs and cooking supplies, paper plates, cups, napkins, condiments, whatever it is. This thing does a great job. So let's go ahead, open it up, and check it out. So as you can see, voila, open that up real quick. And it's nicely wrapped to keep it from damage during shipping. Oh, there we go, comes out in one nice piece. Set this aside then for now. And here we are. We've got some instructions for assembly. You have the base of it as well too. It's a nice metal construction. And then you got your parts here as well too, which are all wrapped up. You've got this nice embossed wood handle. It's finished, very nice. You have some of your metal components as well too. Oops, I'm just dropping things, but let's see, a little grate. You got your, this is for holding your different utensils. And then a few other things here too. Looks like a paper towel holder and a couple other devices. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and show you guys how it works.